For many women, their wedding day is the most important day of their lives, and they want to look their best. Hi, I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your Tampa Bay beauty expert, and I'm going to show you how to apply bridal eye makeup. We went ahead and prepped Nanette's eyes with an automatic shadow base. That's going to help the eyeshadow stay on longer, keep it from creasing or fading. Next, I'm applying a really soft pink color called Shell all over the lid from lash to brow. And then I'm going to apply a slightly darker color. This is a kind of a plummy pink color as a contour color. Give her eye a little bit more shape and definition. And I'm going to apply that just above the crease. And on the outer third of the lid. So this is a very soft look. You want to look natural. You want to look like yourself, just a little bit prettier. And every woman likes to wear pink on her wedding day. And I'm going to blend this in with my bigger brush, soften that line a little bit. Okay, perfect. I'm going to use a highlighting color just under the brow. Again, not too heavy, just give her a little bit of a highlighting effect. So I'm running my brush right under the brow, meeting up with that plummy purpley. And see how easy that goes on? Very, very pretty and soft. And next we're going to do a little eyeliner. I'm choosing brown. It's a little bit softer, a little bit more natural, but still will enhance her lash line. This is a nice cream eyeshadow eyeliner, and I like to apply it with a nice thin flat brush. And we're going to go right along her lash line, extending it just a teeny bit on the outer edge. We don't want too much drama. A little bit thicker on the outer end, a little bit thinner as you go in towards the inner corner of the eye. Just going to make the eye look a little bit larger. That's beautiful. And we're going to do a little bit on the lower lid as well, keeping it very light right along the lash line. Make short little strokes and then connect them so you don't get that really harsh line effect. Do the other one. Okay. Take a look. That looks great. And then of course we want to do some mascara, and I recommend a couple of coats of a nice thickening and lengthening mascara. I would not do false lashes on your wedding day. You want to just enhance what you have and just look a little bit prettier. And notice I'm wiggling my wand back and forth. A lot easier to apply on the lower lashes holding your wand this way as opposed to holding it horizontally. And the last step is we're just going to groom the brows a little bit. Nanette's got great brows, so I'm just going to take my brow brush and brush them up and out so we have that perfect enhancement of the eye. And that's how you do bridal eye makeup. I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your Tampa Bay beauty expert.